Hey guys, wanted to just do a quick trade review. It's been a little while since I've done this, so I'm going to get right into this. So going into this week, we knew that obviously with Trump coming in and all that stuff, right? There was a lot of things to kind of keep in mind. We also knew that Monday was Martin Luther King Day, so it was going to be a short day as well. So I had very low expectations. I shared a lot of this in my story, so if you've been following, you already know this. But going into the week, I there was a certain range that I was looking for us to respect and play within, and that's kind of essentially what we kind of showcased here. So I'll kind of go over the trade review today. I'm mainly trying to highlight why I shorted the NQ this morning on Tuesday morning. And the reason why I did that was because of what action we saw prior to from coming into the week already. So on Sunday, I did take a look. I was looking to take some trades during the Asian session. Unfortunately, there wasn't a lot of good things happening here, but so I'll kind of highlight what I was thinking about and how this all played into why I shorted the NQ today. Um, so this is the Asia opening coming into Sunday. And so not a lot going on, but what you did see early on was the respect of the channel and the level here. That was already pre-drawn in advance, right? So whenever channels and levels come together, I find that a strong conviction for myself and my trades. We saw a lot of consolidation here, and the white line was kind of drawn after the fact as well on the day of because I kind of saw we bounced here and we also held here. So throughout this consolidation, what I was really looking for was a retest bounce down here for a breakout. Although we didn't really come all the way down here, we did continue to put in higher lows here. And so as we were squeezing up here, I did share this actually on Sunday night. I took this long here for 40 points to the upside. So if you look at my stories, you'll see when I took it. But anyways, so that was the one trade I took. And then coming into the next day, we had our short Monday because of the market, right? We saw that we came at 5:30. We tested the same area again before we launched. We made our way up. We held some resistance in this channel zone that I had marked prior to, but we did continue breaking upwards towards the MM level, and we kind of came back down. Now, I didn't really take much of the trades here, so I'm not going to highlight too much of that, but that's what took place. What was important, though, for us to capture was this. So this was, for me at least, very unexpected. I was not expecting a 300-point move down to the downside. This was the news for Trump's inauguration. So I didn't play this. Now, I know a lot of people probably FOMO, probably tried to chase it and try to force some trades. And my thought is this. We train ourselves as traders to trade the everyday market. And so when things happen that are not normal, don't feel the desire to chase. I don't think that's super important for us, right? Someone was talking to me actually during this time period, right? And I had made the comment to them that I normally scalp 15 points, 20 points maybe max during the Asian session. So when moves like this happen, it automatically already puts my mentals on tilt because I am not trading the way I normally would trade over Asia. And I'm not comfortable changing my methods as well. So again, those reasons why I didn't take any trades. So yeah, there were opportunities here that people could have caught, and that's good for them for sure. But it definitely did not meet what I was kind of looking for, which is why I didn't take it here. Um, so anyways, but I did mention though in my story though, I said that although I'm not taking any trades here, I am absolutely going to watch this going into the New York session. And so when we took a look at this, I did mark that, you know what, this is where the news dropped and this is where the news bounced, right? And so throughout the day and throughout the night, we could kind of just consolidate here, right? I had no interest. I was not looking to do anything. So I didn't take any trades at this point. But what I was stalking for was this. So I made the comment in my story that I was waiting for us to come back up to where the news dropped again, which is kind of where we were kind of consolidating up here. And so the moment we started to show that we were breaking down, pretty much within just a few minutes of market open, which is a very aggressive entry, but my risk was there for it, right? Like I definitely was looking for nothing above this area here. So upon my entry, I took my short and it broke down real fast. I got 100 points, I think within 15 minutes of what I said here. Yeah, so anyways, I got 100 points trim here and I got stopped out for about 30 points for the last one. But again, you can kind of see here within the first half an hour of the market, I was in and out and I was done. This plan, though, although it may seem like, oh, 30 minutes, I made that much. This was, in the end of the day, based on plans that I had pre-drawn well in advance, right? So I think the takeaway here was that although I took a trade today here, this trade was based on analysis done during the Asia session prior, which even then, this whole session here was based on pre-planning all the way back on Sunday. So if there's anything to really take away here is that really do your homework, come prepared, don't go into the market unplanned. I honestly, if you wake up late, don't bother, don't chase. I know we always feel the need to do that, but have the mindset of abundance. The market will always be here, right? And I think that like that's been probably one of the game-changing mindsets for myself and helping me be successful thus far with futures. So, anyways, that's my 2 cents. Hope that provides a little bit of value for you. See you around.